Hi cuties, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Did you complete your yesterday homework? Yes, I hope you have completed. What did you study in the previous class? Do you remember that? Okay, now listen. The previous class we have studied two-dimensional shape and three-dimensional shapes. 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Is that no ma? Yes, 2D shapes means square, rectangle, triangle and a circle. That is called 2D shapes. That is called 2D shapes. Okay, Mama? Then 3D shapes. What are 3D shapes? Say cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere is called three-dimensional shape. Okay, 3D shapes. Okay, Mama? Three-dimensional shapes, 3D shapes. Okay. In this class, we have just recall it and we have to make one table for 3D shapes. Okay, Mama? We have to make one table for 3D shapes. Okay. Now listen. Let's get back to our maths class. In this class, we have to learn about 3D shapes. Okay. Listen. This is sixth one heading. Sixth one heading. Okay. First, use your scale to draw a box. Okay, we have to draw one box. Five columns. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come. Yes. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Shall we write the heading? Okay, listen. First, shapes. Okay, Mama? First box we have to write in shapes. Okay. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Okay. Then vertex. V-E-R-T-E-X. Vertex. Then edge. E-D-G-E. Edge. Then P-L-A-N-E. Plane. S-U-R-F-A-C-E. Surface. Plane surface. Then C-U-R-V-E-D. Curved. S-U-R-F-A-C-E. Surface. First shapes, then vertex, then edge, then plane surface and curved surface. Okay, Mama? Plane surface and curved surface. Now, take a scale and draw a line. The first shape is cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Already we have studied cube. Yes or no, ma? Yes or no? Yes. Cube means Ganasaduram. Cube means Ganasaduram. Okay. Listen. Cube. Cube has how many vertex? Cube has how many vertex? Do you know cube? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. You don't know means you just draw it here. Okay. Take your pencil and draw here cube. Then this side one line here, up step and here. Okay. First join this two lines. First we have to join these two lines. Then this two, last this two. This is cube. Okay, Mama. What is this picture? What is the shape? Cube. Okay. What is the shape? This is cube. Okay. Cube has how many vertex? Cube has how many vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here 1, 8. Okay, Mama. How many vertex? Cube has 8 vertex. Cube has 8 vertex. Then cube has how many edges? It has 12 edges. In the previous class we have studied as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Cube has how many edges? 12 edges. Then plane surfaces. Any plane surface? It has any plane surface? Yes, it has 6 plane surface. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, Mama. It has 6 plane surface. Any curved surfaces here? No. Any curved surfaces here? ஏதாவது curved surface இருக்காமா? வளைஞ்ச பகுதி இல்ல. Okay. So you put 0. Okay. You just put 0. Next one cuboid. Next one cuboid. Okay. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Okay, Mama. Do you know cuboid? Do you know cuboid? Shall we draw? Okay. Take your scale and draw cuboid. Here one line, here also and here one. Now we have to join this line, then this two, next this two and this two. This is cuboid. Okay, Mama. Ganachevaham. This is cuboid. Cuboid means Ganachevaham. How many vertex are there? Count and say the answer. Count how many vertex is here. How many vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many vertex? 8 vertex. How many vertex, ma? 8 vertex. Okay. Then how many edges? Edges means this ending point. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges? It has 12 edges. Then plane surface. How many plane surface? Plane surface. How many plane surfaces here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many plane surface? 6 plane surface. Okay, Mama. So you write here 6. Any curved surfaces here? Any curved surfaces here? No. Okay, so you put 0. Okay, Mama. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay. Then next what will come? Cube, cuboid, then cone. Right here cone. C-O-N-E. Cone. How do you draw it? Cone. Then we have to write this. Okay. Is it cone? Yes, this is cone. Okay. This is cone. Okay. How many vertices here? Cone has how many vertex, ma? Only one vertex. Then how many edge? How many edge? Cone has only one edge. Then any plane surfaces here? Yes, it has only one plane surface. This is plane surface. Yes. Cone has one plane surface. Then see here, this is curved surface. What is this? This is curved surface. Okay, curved surface. How many curved surfaces here? A cone has only one curved surface. So you write here 1. Okay, Mama? So you write here 1. Okay. Cone has one vertex, one edge, 6 plane surface. Cone has one vertex, one edge, one plane surface and one curved surface. Okay, Mama? Then next, cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. Do you know cylinder? Yes. This is cylinder. Okay, Mama? This is cylinder. Okay. Any vertexes here? Any vertexes here? Open your mouth and say no. Yes, so put 0. Okay, Mama? I have to put 1, 0. Then edge. How many edges here? How many edges here? 2 edges. Okay, Mama? How many edges? 2 edges, 2 plane surface and 1 curved surface. Okay, Mama? No vertex, edge, 2 edge. Okay, 2 edge, plane surface. Here one and this last one. This is plane surface, 2 plane surface. This middle of the space, only one curved surface. Only one curved surface. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Okay, see the last one. See the last one. Spur. Okay, write here. S-P-H-E-R-E. Spur. S-P-H-E-R-E. Spur. Okay, I have to draw it here. In circle. This is spur. Okay, Mama? Any vertexes here? No. Here no vertex. No edge. Any plane surfaces here? No. Any curved surfaces here? Yes. Only one curved surface. Okay. Then take your pencil. And complete the box. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, very good. Just see here. First, we have studied cube. Yes, cube. It has 8 vertex, 12 edges, then 6 plane surface and 0 curved surface. Then cuboid. Cuboid, it has 8 vertex, 12 edge, 6 plane surface and 0 curved surface. Then cone. Okay, cone, it has 1 vertex, 1 edge, 1 plane surface and 1 curved surface. Okay, Mama. Then see cylinder. Cylinder, it has no vertex, 2 edges, 2 plane surface, only 1 curved surface. Okay, then see the spur. It has no vertex, no edge, no plane surface, but it has only 1 curved surface. Okay, Mama, do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, very good. Now all of you open your maths note. Take new page and write. All of you open your maths note. Is your pencil sharp? Your pencil is not sharp means first of all sharp your pencil. Then you start to write. Write neatly. Okay. Take new page and write. This is class work. Okay. Today's class work. CW. Class work. Use your scale to draw a box and shapes. Okay, Mama? Write neatly. Beside you should write class work. CW. Class work. Okay? Sixth one heading. Write neatly. Okay? Say and write shapes, vertex, edge, plane surface and curved surface. Say and write. Say and write. Write neatly. Okay. Draw a shape properly. Write neatly. Cube. A cube has 8 vertex, 12 edges, 6 plane surfaces and no curved surface. Okay, but the cuboid has 8 vertex, 12 edges, 6 plane surface and no curved surface. But the cube has 1 vertex, 1 edge, 1 plane surface and 1 curved surface. Okay, Mama. Then see the next one. Then cylinder. 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 Sphere. 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 Cylinder. It has 0 vertex and 2 edges. Cylinder has 2 plane surface and it has only 1 curved surface. It has only 1 curved surface. Then last one, sphere. 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 Vertex? No. Sphere has no vertex, no edges, no plane surface, but it has only 1 curved surface. But it has only 1 curved surface. All of you have written? All of you have written, children? Shall we see the next one? Okay, very good. Now, take new page. All of you take new page. Keep your pencil inside and close your note. Keep your pencil inside this page and close your note. Listen. Keep your pencil inside and close your note. All of you listen. Okay? Don't write anything. Listen. Seventh one heading. Okay, Mama? Fill in the blanks. F-I-L-L. Fill. I-N in. T-H-E-D. B-L-A-N-K-S. Blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one. Here. C-U-B-E. Cube. H-A-S. Has. S-U-R-F-A-C-E-S. Surfaces. E-D-G-E-S. Edges. A-N-D and V-E-R-T-I-C-E-S. Vertices. A cube has the surfaces and how many edges and how many vertices. The second one, here. H-A-S has. N-O, no. V-E-R-T-E-X, vertex. A-N-D and N-O, no. E-D-G-E, edge. A dot has no vertex and no edge. Third one. Here HAS has TWO 2 PLANE plane SUR FACES surfaces has two plane surfaces AND and ONE1 CUR VED curved SUR FACE dash has two plane surfaces and one curved surface. Then fourth one, here SPHERE SPHERE has ONLY only here. SPHERE has only here the surface SUR FACE surface. SPHERE has the only a dash surface. Then the fifth one, THED OPPO SITE opposite SUR FACES surfaces OF of here dash ARER IDENTICAL identical. Okay, Mama, now listen. All of you listen. See the first one. A cube has how many surfaces, how many edges and how many vertices? Now only we have studied. All of you open your mouth and say the answer. A cube has how many surfaces? A cube has 6 surfaces and 12 edges. Then how many vertices? 8 vertices. Okay, Mama. A cube has 6 surfaces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Do you understand? Okay, then see the second one. A dash has no vertex and no edge. எதுக்கு வெர்டெக்ஸும் கிடையாது எட்ஜும் கிடையாது spur. Okay, you write here SPHERE spur. A spur has no vertex and no edge. Okay, Mama. Spur என்னது கிடையாது வெர்டெக்ஸும் கிடையாது எட்ஜும் கிடையாது. Then a dash has 2 plane surfaces and 1 curved surfaces. You just see the table and say the answer. Okay, the third one answer is cylinder. Okay, CYLINDER cylinder. A cylinder has 2 plane surfaces and 1 curved surface. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, then a spur has only a curved surface. CURVED curved surface. A spur has only a curved surface. And the last Philippus. The opposite surfaces of a dots are identical. Opposite side means what will come? Cuboid. Okay, you write here CUBOID, cuboid. Okay, the opposite surfaces of a cuboid are identical. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, very good. Now open your maths note. Take new page and write, fill in the blanks. Take new page and write, fill in the blanks. Seventh one heading, FILL, fill. IN in, THED, BLANKS, blanks, fill in the blanks. First one, here, cube, CUBE, cube. HAS has 6 surfaces. SURFACES, surfaces, comma 12 EDGES, edges, AND and 8 vertices. VERTICES, vertices. A cube has 6 surfaces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Second one, here SPHERE, spur. HAS has, NO, no. VERTEX, vertex. AND and NO, no. EDGE, edge. A spur has no vertex and no edge. Third one, here CYLINDER, cylinder. HAS has TWO2, PLANE, plane. SURFACES, surfaces. AND and ONE1. CURVED, curved. SURFACE, surface. A cylinder has 2 plane surfaces and 1 curved surface. Fourth one, here SPHERE, spur. HAS has ONLY, only. Here curved, CURVED, curved. SURFACE, surface. Fifth one, THED, OPPOSITE, opposite. SURFACES, surfaces. OF of, here. CUBOID, cuboid. ARER, IDENTICAL, identical. The opposite surfaces of a cuboid are identical. All of you have written? All of you have written, children? Okay. Take new page and write today's homework. Take new page and write today's homework. All of you take new page and write today's homework. Height W. Identify the shape IDENTIFY. Identify THED. SHAPE, shape. Identify the shape. First one, CHALK, chalk. B-O-X, box, chalk box. Then second one, B-A-T-T-E-R-Y, battery. C-E-L-L, cell, battery cell. Write with me, okay? Second one, battery cell. Third one, candle, C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. Fourth one, carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Fifth one, Christmas tree, C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S, Christmas tree, T-R-E-E, tree, Christmas tree. Then sixth one, football, F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L, ball, football. Seventh one, tube light, T-U-B-E-L-I-G-H-T, light, tube light. Eighth one, die, D-I-E, die. Okay, Mama. First one, chalk box. Chalk box means chalk piece potuchiruppolla and the box. Okay, chalk box. Then battery cell. Battery cell, you know, candle, melukuvatti, carrot. That carrot, Christmas tree, already you know. Football. Did you see football? Yes. Then tube light, is it in your home? Then die. Die means how to use the பாம்பு கட்டம் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அதுக்கு விளையாடுறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்ல, that is dice. Okay mama, that is die. Okay, then scene, draw, D-R-A-W, draw, 2D A-N-D and 3D shapes, S-H-A-P-E-S, shapes. Draw 2D and 3D shapes. This is also today's homework. All of you do it your homework yourself. Next one we will see the next class. Okay Mama? Thank you. Take care. Bye.